Hello everyone, it's Archana here and welcome back to my channel. So recently I have started a new content, that is self-portrait photography, which is very trending nowadays. If you have not seen my previous video yet, do watch them because I had shared many interesting ideas in them. So talking about today's video, in today's video I am going to show you how I clicked my self-portrait pictures in sari and lehenga, and at last how I edited them. So without wasting your time, let's move into the video.
I have created the background the way I usually do, and now I am ready with the sari getup to click some beautiful self-portrait. Take your time and try variety of poses and different expressions. I had used Rupia as my prompt. You can try different prompts according to your getup and creative mind. And after all this hard work, here are the results. After this sari look, I had also clicked some picture in lehenga, and here are the results.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Watching this video, hope you like the video, and if yes, give this video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel, and if you are going to try any of these photography ideas, do tag me in your post. My Instagram ID is mentioned below.